Several families have been displaced, with many migrating to Jharkhand's Pakur district, with others have taken to refuge in the relief camp set up in the Malda following the arrest and the unrest that has followed in the Murshidabad, triggered by the protest over the Waqf Amendment Act. An elderly man who migrated to the Jharkhand's Pakur broke down while recounting his ordeal during the Murshidabad violence. Speaking to ANI, he said that I don't really know what happened. I opened my shop in the morning and sat outside. They started hitting the doors, pelting bricks and stones, and eventually breaking the doors. My television, my mirror, my furniture, 2-3 almirah and all the money were also home, and they were all taken. We came here night before yesterday. Following the unrest, leaders of the various political parties have blamed the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, led that is the West Bengal, for the remaining silent while the situation worsens. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also has attacked the West Bengal government over the violence in Murshidabad, accusing the Mamata Banerjee-led government of remaining silent while the situation worsens. Addressing a gathering, CM Yogi also thanked the Calcutta High Court for ordering the deployment of the central forces immediately in Murshidabad. Bengal is burning. Chief Minister of the state is silent. She calls rioters messengers of peace, but those who understand only force won't listen to words. In the name of secularism, they have given complete freedom to the rioters to create unrest. The entire Murshidabad have been set on fire since last week, yet the government remains silent. Such anarchy must be brought under control, CM Yogi said. BJP leader Dilip Ghosh also alleged that the Mamata Banerjee-led West Bengal government is creating a Bangladesh-like situation in the state following the recent incidents of the violence in Murshidabad. The Mamata Banerjee government is helping to create a Bangladesh-like situation here. If they claim the miscreants are outsiders, why are they not being caught? And what is the police doing? Is the government not duty to play the blame game? Also, there's the trying of the creating of an atmosphere of fear in the Hindu minority regions ahead of the assembly elections. Also, election should be held under the president rule, under the watchful eye of the election commission. Otherwise, the Hindus will not be able to vote, he said. Congress leader and the former MP from the Berhampur, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, met the injured victims of the violence that broke out in Murshidabad during the protest on the April 11 and slammed the Mamata Banerjee government for its silence while people are struggling to survive. Speaking to ANI after meeting the victims at the Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital in the Berhampur, Mr. Chaudhary criticized the Mamata Banerjee-led state government's silence on the Murshidabad violence, in which 3 people have lost their lives and scores were injured. Also, he said a lot of people have been admitted to the hospital, but the police and the state government are silent. People are struggling to survive, yet the state government's doing nothing. Also, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs, that is MHA, have been apprised of the initial probe into the intentional, that is the Murshidabad violence, also which indicates the involvement of the alleged Bangladeshi miscreants, government sources said.